Recall the intensity of a playground tug of war. The whistle blows, your boots slide in the mud, and you pull with everything you have to drag that thick rope over the center line. This same physical struggle is playing out every second in the global financial markets. It looks chaotic from the outside, but it's really just a massive game of tug of war, played with money instead of rope. On one side are the buyers, Team Green. Every time they buy shares, they pull the rope upward to drive the price higher. On the other side is Team Red, the sellers. When they sell, they yank the rope downward to lower the price. Those jagged, complicated charts on the evening news are simply historical scorecards. They track exactly which team won the rope at every moment of the day. To read the scorecard, we look at individual markers called candlesticks. Each one summarizes a single round of the game, whether that round lasted for an hour or an entire day. The thick rectangular middle part marks where the price started and ended. If it's green, Team Green pulled the rope up. If red, Team Red forced the price lower. The thin lines poking out from the top and bottom are like footprints in the mud. These show the highest and lowest points the rope reached during the struggle, before the other team managed to drag it back. This diagram shows where a battle reaches its limit and turns around. Notice the long wicks at these high and low points. They show the exact moment the other side ran out of strength. A single candle reveals the total effort of the struggle, showing exactly how hard the losing team fought before giving up ground. If we zoom out and look at weeks or months of these candles at once, we start to see a wide view of a prolonged war. In this wider view, we can spot invisible boundaries on the chart, where both teams naturally stop and fight the hardest. This diagram shows a floor where buyers dig in, rallying to push the price up. The top line acts as a ceiling where sellers push back. If buyers lose their footing and the price falls through the floor, it plunges into new territory. Identifying these floors and ceilings turns a messy chart into a map, showing you exactly where the next major fight is likely to happen. When one team dominates several rounds in a row and pushes the rope consistently in one direction, we call that a trend. During a move upward, Team Green is essentially pushing the sellers up a staircase. They create a steady pattern of higher peaks and higher valleys, winning most of the territory as they go. This chart may look intimidating, but view it as a tug of war. The green candles and long wicks tell the story of each round. Notice how the purple and blue lines act as a diagonal floor and ceiling, containing the battle as it climbs higher. Once you clearly see the tug of war, those scary lines and indicators just become tools to help track who has the most momentum. Try opening a chart for a company you know. Look past the numbers and try to see who is currently winning the rope. Understanding the market doesn't require a special degree. You just have to find the floor, find the ceiling, and see which team is pulling the hardest.